One of the challenges is the flooding, the El Nino, that came and swept almost everything. They only saved about 100 acres of harvest, which was a serious setback. Secondly, another challenge that we have around here is so many litigation court cases around between the community demanding to understand what is happening here. So that's another challenge because there are several conservatory orders. Third challenge that the investor is facing is water. The intake from Kitere coming down to this side is a serious challenge because it requires a lot of investment in terms of maintenance, repair, to ensure that water comes down to this farm.
When we first of all came and cleared the area which was bushy and a lot of what we call prosopis, and after that we were able to clear about 500 acres which we planted, which after planting El Nino came and destroyed almost 80% of the crop. However, we did not lose heart. We came back again last season and we cultivated again the acres, 500 acres, and we were able to harvest. We were able to combine technologies. Along the process, we have been developing technologies